Hello, this is Brian Casey, and we are here at RSNA 2022 in Chicago. We are here in the booth of Densitas, and we're here with Mo Abdollel. He is founder and CEO of Densitas. Mo, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
So you guys have been exhibiting here at RSNA. Can you talk a little bit about the company and what's the challenge that you guys are addressing?
Densitas is developing solutions in digital mammography. We're focused on three key pillars that really affect management of patients through the mammography, through breast screening. And in particular, our solutions relate to breast density assessment, clinical image quality, as well as breast cancer risk.
Now, the breast density issue has become a really important issue in breast cancer. A lot of women aren't aware that they're not aware of their breast density, and they're not aware that if they do have higher breast density, they're at higher risk of cancer.
That's increasingly becoming less of a problem. More and more women are being aware. Are aware. That's thanks to a lot of the advocacy work done by the patient advocacy groups in the U.S., as well as the laws, the informed laws that have been that have gone across 85% of the United States, and so with the most advanced legislation on this topic globally, breast density awareness definitely has increased substantially.
Now, how does your product address this density issue?
We develop an AI solution. We provide breast density assessments aligned with the American College of Radiology BI-RADS Atlas 5th edition density scale. And that provides standardized breast density assessments and does it in a standardized automated fashion that provide results to the radiologists.
And this is the intelliMammo product?
The intelliMammo product is the umbrella term that encompasses the breast density solution, as well as the mammography quality, image quality solution, as well as the breast cancer risk solution.
Great. And so what are you guys talking about here at RSNA?
We are really rolling out our newest release of the system, which has a big focus. Most of the new development in intelliMammo has been focused on mammography quality, MQSA equip,
right.
And that's where the direction we're going in.
Great. Now, any research being presented here at RSNA with the product?
Actually, there have been three different presentations using the solution, particularly focused on quality. And that one was with RAD8 International. There was a collaboration with RAD8 International in Guyana, and we saw error rates dropping from 20 to 44% after implementation of the software in Guyana. And that's really valuable because that demonstrates the value of the software, especially for quality, when adopted in remote areas, under-resourced areas, whether that happens to be internationally or even locally. There are a lot of remote areas here as well. And in the context of COVID, that's even more important. Because with the understaffing crisis generally in the United States, actually globally, but certainly in the United States, with respect to radiological technologists and recruiting them, there's a lot more work for a lot fewer people. And so that's been a big pressure on the health service providers, the imaging centers. And so with the increased focus on quality, with the MQSA equip from the FDA MQSA equip, as well as the ACR inspections. This is a burden on the healthcare systems to be able to deliver mammography quality, and our solution addresses that.
Great. And what about the other two papers?
The other two papers, we provided the software. One of them was focused on establishing and validating the software and the algorithms to establish baseline measures of quality at the population level, because it's simply not feasible to perform quality on every mammogram
Sure.
manually.
Yep.
In fact, a tiny fraction are actually manually evaluated or visually evaluated.
Yep.
But with our software, this could be done on one of the studies did it on 60,000 mammograms for a whole year. And so the results showed showed that the software and the algorithms are quite sensitive to what is expected in terms of associations between different imaging acquisition parameters and the positioning errors.
Okay, and then the final paper?
The final paper was done to evaluate the prevalence of positioning errors in a very large population. I think that had 65,000 mammograms evaluated to determine how that compared with their experience prior to using the software.
Okay, perfect. Good. Well, Mo, sounds like you guys have got a lot of great stuff on tap.
We do. We're excited. There's so much activity happening, and it's great to be back at RSNA with a lot more activity than last year.
Yeah,
certainly
for sure.
Than the year before that.
Yeah, good. All right, well, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
All right, signing off from RSNA, my name is Brian Casey.